बसवलिङ्गाय नमः। ॐ श्री गुरुबसवलिङ्गाय नमः। ॐ श्री गुरु
Namaskara. When we thought of inviting all our Kannadigas, Indians, and other nationalities to International Basava Jayanti event, as organizers, we never expected such a overwhelming support from more than 50 Kannada and Indian organizations all around the world. We are very thankful to your overwhelming support to remember our Guru Basavanna in this very crucial time we're all going through. We are having a morning session and an evening session on May 15th with no program repetition. This is to accommodate our international viewers from various countries. For US viewers, please take a break after morning session and come back to view the evening session. With all the advanced knowledge we have, Mother Nature's onslaught in the form of COVID virus has made us helpless. Hence, let us all come together and turn towards a power which is beyond all of us. Please come and join to pray along with the international community during our Basava Jayanti event. Kindly share this message to your family, friends, and social groups. Namaskara. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Namaskara, hello, and Sharanu Sharanarthigalu. Basavanna and Shiva Sharanas always propagated in their vachanas the idea of living in harmony with the nature. As a lifelong Boy Scout myself, I like to recall the words of Lord Baden-Powell, our founder of the movement, and I quote, "Leave the world a little better than you found it." These are pearls of wisdom we all must strive in our lives to imbibe. I have this great pleasure of welcoming you all for the International Basava Jayanti celebration jointly organized by Basava Samiti Bangalore, India with VSNA, United States of America, along with all our esteemed partners all over the world.
The family of the Veerashaiva Samaja of North America cordially invites you to join us in the celebration of the 888th anniversary of Basavanna's birth. Please take some time off your busy lives and join us in this global event. We will strive to make this program inspirational, thought-provoking, and joyful. Banniri, Banniri, Nimage Swagata, Neevu Baruvirembude Namage Harusha.
Namaskara, Sharanu Sharanarthi. The world is going through tough times during this pandemic. On the occasion of Basava Jayanti, celebrating the 888th Jayanti of the world's greatest social reformer, come, let's pray that the entire human fraternity emerges healthy and safe. On behalf of iLife Charitable Trust and its chapters of Bangalore, Mysore, Tumkur, Hubli, and Dharwad, it gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to the International Basava Jayanti celebrations, which is jointly being organized by Basava Samiti and VSNA. Thank you. Sharanu Sharanarthi.
Sharanu Sharanarige. This year happens to be Sri Basavanna's 888th birthday. A special International Basava Jayanti has been celebrated, and we all wish to invite all Kannadigas, non-Kannadigas, Indians, and all the citizens of the world to involve, engage, and get to know the teachings of Lord Basaveshwara. Thank you, Harish, for your invitation. On behalf of Basava International Corporation of New York, we are humbly requesting everyone to participate, and also like we are participating, and we thank Harish for giving us an opportunity to participate in this event.
Namaste, dear friends. My name is Amarnath Gowda, an attorney, also Chairman akka Association of Kannada of America. I'm extremely happy to invite you all to the celebrations of International Basava Jayanti on May 15, 2021, organized by VSNA and other great organizations all over the world. Basaveshwara, as most of you know, was a 12th century social reformer, philosopher, great poet, statesman, and a saint. Basaveshwara fought against injustice, inequality, caste system, women's rights, and many more. Most of us came to this great country, America, to make this as our karma bhumi. We believed in work is worship, which was taught in 12th century by Lord Basavana as Kayakave Kailasa. Work is worship. Basavana spread his teachings through vachanas. Anubhava Mantapa is another great example of democratic way of governance which was followed by him. Such a great saint and statesman was Lord Basaveshwara. Let us join to celebrate the International Basava Jayanti. Thank you.
Namaskara. This is Padmini Hemant, President Brindana Kannada, New Jersey. On behalf of all the Kannadigas across the globe, it's my honor, my privilege and a pleasure to be welcoming all of you for International Basava Jayanti 2021. I would like to especially thank Mr. Harish Hiremata and VSNA Central for providing us this platform to showcase the great body of work of Basavanna. Basavanna is a 12th century reformer, a poet, a philosopher. His goal and vision was to establish a healthy society by embracing many social reforms. Most notable of these were gender discrimination, racial discrimination, dignity of labor, and many, many more. His great work was celebrated in many platforms, and today we have one such platform in the form of International Basava Jayanti. We are humbly presenting a symposium of Basavanna's work, and on behalf of Brindavana Kannada Kota, I thank and extend my best wishes to VSNA for all the success of International Basava Jayanti. Namaskara, Sharanu Sharanarthi, Sharanu Sharan.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ನಾಗಭೂಷಣ್. ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಬಸವ ಜಯಂತಿ 2021 ಇದನ್ನು ನಡೆಸಿಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇರುವ VSNA ಬಳಗಕ್ಕೆ ಹೃತ್ಪೂರ್ವಕವಾದ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮೂಡ್ ಬರಲಿ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕನ್ನಡ ಬಂಧು ಬಾಂಧವರು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮವಾಗಿ ಯಶಸ್ವಿಯಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹಾರೈಸ್ತಾ, ಕನ್ನಡ ಸಂಘ ಆಟೋವಾ ಕಾರ್ಯಕಾರಿ ಸಮಿತಿಯಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಶರಣಾರ್ಥಿ. ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗಲಿ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಗುರು ಬಸವಲಿಂಗಾಯ ನಮಃ. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ಶರಣಾರ್ಥಿ. My name is Somshekhar from Vachanakoda, Singapore. Basava Samiti HQ, Bangalore, India. President Shri Arvind Jatyavaru ಮತ್ತು VSNA North America and Canada President Shri Harish Hiremata ಅವರು jointly organizing International Basava Jayanti 2021. We are very delighted to participate in this global Basava event. Thank you.
Sharanu Kannada Bandhugale. My name is Tumkur Dayanand, the President of akka. VSNA is celebrating 2021 Global Basava Jayanti. Basavanna was a great saint of 12th century, a social reformer and a philosopher. His knowledge through Vachanas was the greatest contribution to mankind. During his time, Basavanna introduced Anubhava Mantapa, a public institution wherein men and women were treated equally. It is my pleasure to invite you all to celebrate this great saint's global Basava Jayanti on May 15th, Saturday, along with VSNA. Thank you.
Namaste everyone. I am Chaitra Hiramat, Cultural Secretary of Portland Kannada Kuta, Oregon. Dear friends, it's a great pleasure for us to invite you all to the Global Basava Jayanti Celebrations 2021. Mahatma Gandhi ji, when he visited Belgaum in 1924, said, if Basavanna was in this era, he would have been a divine personality to the whole world. One who follows his works and his teachings can be a better person in oneself and lead the world to the better path. Once again, we welcome you all to the Global Basava Jayanti Celebrations 2021. Dhanyavad.
Basava, Guru Basava, Basava, Vishwa Guru Basava. Nisa, 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 Sari, Mamari, 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 Nisa, 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 Sari, Mamari, Mamari. Om Shri Guru Basava Linga.